In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Google section available here. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and this time click on Autofill with Google. Now choose Google Password Manager and tap on any password you wanna edit. Enter your current login method. Hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. Now hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!